Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the amp, safety first. Once unplugged, wait 5 minutes so caps discharge and use a grounded wrist strap if you have one. Next, check power and ground connections closely. Loose earths cause hum. Then swap input cables and move the amp away from LED lights or monitors. These can induce buzz. Make sure speaker leads are tight and not shorting. If you find a loose screw, tighten it now to rule out mechanical vibration. Now you isolate the signal path to find where the noise originates. Start with every input disconnected, then plug in just one source. Do you still hear the buzz? If buzz disappears, the source or cable is the culprit. Use a die box or a ground lift hum eliminator to check for ground loops. These often create a 50 or 60 Hz hum. Next, engage channels one at a time and turn pots slowly. Listen for scratchy pots or intermittent contacts in preamp and gain. Proceed to repair and final testing. Reflow cracked solder joints, clean or replace noisy potentiometers, and swap fuses that show discoloration. Once repaired, power up with a known good speaker and keep volume low while observing changes. If ground loop hum persists, try an isolation transformer on the power or use a dedicated ground rod for installations. This reduces induced hum. If the problem remains, document what you tested. Then consult a qualified technician or replace the offending board to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.